Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use TinyTask. The first thing you do, open your browser and then type in TinyTask and click on the first link. And here you have to go under download and select the recent one. Just click on download, and after you download, install it. When you run it, it will look something like this. And for you to use it, for an example, let's say you're using it to play Roblox. Let's open a browser and I want him to jump like 10 times. And you can go here and then you can press record. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you go back and then you press play. You stop recording and then you press play. As you can see, it will repeat every action that you have done before. For you to continue using it, you just go on your preferences and then here is the speed. And then you can select the speed that you want. You can even customize the speed that you wanted to have. And here there's a continuous playback whereby if you wanted to do a repeat or a loop, then you have to click on continuous, then you start recording. When you play, it will continuously loop the action. And you can also record the hotkey, whereby if you want to start and stop recording, you can choose like a key like F8 or F12. But if you click on F8, it will start recording. And if you click on F8 again, it will stop recording. If you want to save a specific action so that you can use it later, you can click here where you say save. You can say jump and save. And if you want to open it, you open it here. And you open it and then you run it. And that's how you use TinyTask. And you're done.